Hello, welcome to PowerPoint Tips by the HR Diary. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a spaceship shooting game with Microsoft PowerPoint. The first thing that we need to do is to add the developer tab. To do that, click on File and look for Options. Click on Customize ribbon. Then look for Developer. Pick it. And then click OK. Once you click OK, the developer tab will appear here. Next, I want to add a new slide. So we click on this blank space here and press Enter. And this will create a new slide. Now, I don't want all this, so select everything and press the Delete key. Now, go to Transitions and untick on mouse click. All right, we are now ready to design the game layout. First, I want to make the green grass patch. To do that, go to Insert and click on the shape, and let's pick this rectangular shape. Okay, left click and drag across and stop here. Okay, and I want this to be green for the grass. Now, let's make the sky. Again, we go to Insert, Shapes, and I want this shape under flowchart, this flowchart document shape. Left click here and drag across to here and release your mouse click. And I want this to be light blue. So we have the grass, we have the blue sky. I want to add some clouds here. Let's look for a cloud, and this shape, that is a cloud shape, right? Drag it across and let's make it white. Then have this selected. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+C to copy, and then press Ctrl+V to paste. Paste a few times, one time, Ctrl+V again, Ctrl+V and Ctrl+V. So I have a few clouds. Now let's move the cloud. I want one of the cloud here. Some are here. And another cloud here. All right. Now I want to add a place for the scores here. We go to Insert and let's insert a rectangular box. So drag it across and type the word score. All right. Now let's go to the developer tab here. Click on this A, which is the label, and then drag it across. This is where the score will actually show. Then, okay, let's move this cloud a little bit further. Okay, again, click on this label and click on Properties. This label word, because this is it is a score to show my points, my points. So I want to put it as starting from 0. So this should be 0. And then once we close this, this will change to 0. So let's close this. Yes. So the score starts with 0. Now select this label again and click the view code. This will open up this window. This is where you will type the VBA, which is the Visual Basic code. So select this thing and then delete everything here. All right. So to start on with a VBA code, you need to have the word sub. Type the word sub first. Right? So type sub green open bracket and close bracket. Then hit the enter key. All right. This green is for this green code is for my green spaceship. Next, type in this code. Follow me to type in this code. Label 1 dot caption equals open label 1 dot caption close bracket plus 2. Plus 2 means this will add 2 to your score when you click or shoot the green spaceship. So next, copy this whole paragraph, hit enter here and copy by pressing, selecting it, pressing Ctrl C, then click here and press Ctrl V to paste this thing here. So next, change this green to yellow because this code is for my yellow spaceship. And here, let's put it as a +1 because this yellow spaceship will give you, I want it to give you only 1 point. The green spaceship will give you 2 points. So copy this again and enter. This sub change to red. This code is for my red helicopter. And I want this to be -2. Means if you were to click or shoot the yellow helicopter, you get the -2 points. All right. So we have got this this code all up. Let me check if everything is correct. 2 points for green spaceship, 1 point for yellow spaceship, -2 points for the red helicopter. All right, all good. So now let's close this VBA code. Close it. And you're back to this screen. Now, let's go to this first slide. I have got some spaceship, the green spaceship, yellow spaceship, and the red helicopter from the internet. So this is a GIF, which is an animation. You can search it by typing red helicopter GIF, and you can search for some helicopter. Or if you want alien spaceship, you can type spaceship, green spaceship, and yep, then you will be able to get the green spaceship. So now let's select all this, press Ctrl C to copy it, and then click onto the second slide and press Ctrl V to paste it. Then left click this and drag this to here. And then, yep, so they are the center of the slide. So let's click outside here. Now, let's select the green spaceship and then click on to insert and click onto action. Then go to click on to run macro and make sure that the green spaceship is the macro that we will use is the green macro, and click OK. So do the same thing for the yellow spaceship. Click it, go to insert, go to action, go to run macro, and yellow spaceship. So we'll pick yellow. We'll choose the yellow code. and click OK. And then next, the red helicopter, go to insert, go to action, and then go to run macro. And yellow helicopter, we want the, no, sorry, there's a red helicopter, we want the red VBA code. And we click this and we click OK. Now, let's go into the slideshow by clicking this button over here. Now, if I click or shoot the green spaceship, it will add 2 to my score. The score will change from 0 to 2. Let's see. Here, it adds 2 to my score. Now, if I click or shoot the yellow spaceship, it will add 1 to my score, making this 3. Let's click this. Yep, it's 3. And if I were to shoot the red helicopter, it would minus 2 from my score. From 3 minus 2 will become 1. Yep, it works. So it minus 2 from my score. So let's hit the escape button to get out of here. Now, select all these spaceship and helicopter, press Ctrl C, and then click here and press Ctrl V. Then, so we have all the spaceship and helicopter. So all these should work. Let's move this off the screen here. And let's select this and move it here. All right, now I'm going to create the animation path. To start, let's click on this green spaceship, then click onto animations and add animations. Then find the custom path and then draw the path that you want it to go. So let's see, move like this and here, and I double click to stop it. Okay. So now click onto the animation plane and then you see this down arrow, click onto it and then click effect options. This move start, move it to 0 seconds, move end, also move it to 0 seconds. Then click onto the timing tab. For this start, change it to with previous. And for repeat, click onto it and choose the until end of slide. Then click OK. So when I enter the presentation slide, the green spaceship moves across too fast. Let's click escape. So it moves too fast. So I'm going to increase the duration to 10 seconds so that it is slower. So how to slow down the spaceship? Again, I click here, then I click effect options and the timing, click onto timing, 2 seconds. So 2 seconds is too fast. I'm going to change it to 10 seconds by clicking onto 10. Right? Then I click OK. So when you go to the animation, you see, it moves much slower now. Right? And I click escape to escape it. All right. Now I want to do the same for all. So for all the rest, so let's click this and then click add animation and then custom path and then draw the path and double click. All right. So then go to here and then effect options, smooth start, put it to 0, here put it to 0, timing, then go to start with previous and the duration 10, repeat until end of the slide. Okay, next, the helicopter. So same process. Custom path, and this will go straight line and then up and down and then here, and then double click to stop it. Okay, and then let's click effect options to do the settings. Timing with previous, duration 10 seconds, repeat until end of slide. Okay. All right. Then the next one, the next green spaceship, go to animation, click this, go to animation, add animation, custom path. All right, this will fly to the top, and then zoom here and spin, and then land up here. Okay, and let's go to effect options and move start, move it to 0, move end, move it to 0. Timing, change to at the start, change to with previous. The duration, which is the speed, change it to 10. Repeat until end of slide and click OK. All right, and the next yellow spaceship, add animation, custom path. Right, so this should move straight first and then spin, and land up here. And all right, double click to end it. Right, stop it, and then go to effect options, same process. Smooth start set to 0, smooth end set to 0. The timing, the start go to with previous, duration I want 10 seconds, so you just type 10, repeat, you put until end of slide, and then you click OK. Right, and the last one, the red helicopter. All right, so we go to click it, go to animation, add animation, custom path, and this one will go straight first and then go down, up, and then down, and stop here. Double click. Right, and then click here. Go to click effect options. Move this to 0 seconds. 0 second. The timing. At the start, go to with previous, and the duration change to all right, 10 seconds, and the repeat until end of slide. You can have a variation here. Let's put the duration 15 seconds. All right, and click OK. All right, good. Now, I want to add a duration to end the game at a certain time. To do that, go to animation, and then go to this. Sorry, go to not animation. Go to transitions, and then advanced slide, and click after. So this game, I want it to be a 20-second game. So I'll click 20. Right. So this is when after 20 seconds, the slide will exit and the game ends. That's what I mean. Right. So we have this setting, but we also need the players also need to know what is the timing. Right. So to create a visual timer, we can go to, let me make the screen bigger first. All right, go to insert, and what should I do to create a visual timer? Go to insert and then shapes and choose the circle. So I add the circle here. All right. The color, I want to make it this gold color, and I want it to glow so that it looks a little bit like the sun. And then let's move it to here, slightly behind the cloud, maybe a bit bigger. And I want the cloud to be in front, so I click on the cloud, right click, and select bring to front. Right. Next, I want to add a text box to say that this is the timer. Okay, and let's put it here. Okay. All right. So now we have the cloud and we have the timer. All right, and the transition is set at 20. Now, click onto the circle and then go to the animations tab. Click add animations, and let's pick the, let me see, where is the view? All right, pick the view. Right, so this timer will go 1 round. Okay, so again, click onto this view, and then go to the animation tab. Click on this down arrow, and then click on effect options. Go to timing, and then start with previous, and the duration is 20 seconds. Right, just now we set the game as 20 seconds, so this timer should also be for 20 seconds, right? And then it will end until the end of the slide. Okay, then click OK. Now, move this. All right, this animation is for the timer. Let's move it to the top of it. Right, move it to the top of this animation plane, so that it starts as soon as this slide is activated. And when you click start playing the game, you will see the timer going down from 20 seconds all the way down to 0. So let's see. So as you can see, the timer, yeah. So it's actually a 20-second timer. You will go down all the way to 0. Right? It's moving. Okay. Yep. So at the end of 20 seconds, it exits, because in transitions you put 20 seconds. All right. So now let's create a slide where you can start the game, display the game score, and reset the score. So to start, click here and then press the enter key. Select here and delete everything on this slide. So next, go to the first slide. Select this green background, Control C, and then click here and Control V to copy this green background. And I also want this text, so select this spaceship shooting game, Control C, and click here to press Control V. Okay, it's a little small, so let's make it bigger. Okay, so this is the spaceship shooting game. Okay, so now I want to create the start game button. To do that, let's insert a box. Go to insert, and let's pick right circle button and change the color to orange. Then Control C, Control V to paste and paste. So let's create 3 boxes. The first box is start. Let's change it to font size 40 and black font. Then this, I want it to display the score. So let's type the score button and then change it to black and put it to 40. Right? And then the other one, I want it to reset the score to 0. Okay, let's set it to black and 40. So let's type this again. And let's adjust it properly. Okay, so we have created the start button. I now want to hyperlink this button to the second slide, to this slide, right? Hyperlink this to this slide. So click on this button, right click it, and then click on this hyperlink and place in this document and slide 2 and click OK. So now if I go to the slideshow here and I click start, it goes into the game. See, I can play the game. Right? Okay. So we have created the start button. So now I want to create the score button. So let's go to the developer tab. Click on this and go to the developer tab. Then create on the label, and let's drag it here. Okay, you have the label, then click onto properties, and these captions, delete it to make it blank, and name this as 2. Oops. All right. So yeah, let me do it again. So you go here, you click on the label tab, drag it here, and then click on properties, and the caption, delete it, and the font size, I want to set it to 36. Then click OK, and the label, change it to 2, and then close it. Okay. Then next, click onto view code, delete what's written here, and type sub score open bracket. Sorry, type it sub score open bracket, close bracket, and enter. Then next, type slide 3 dot label 2 dot caption. Okay. First slide 2 dot label 1 dot caption. Okay, so let me check. Slide 3 label 2 caption, slide 2 label 1 caption. All right, close it. Now click onto this text box, then click insert, action, macro, pick score, slide 3 score, and then click OK. Next, let's work on the reset button. So this is to reset the score. So to do this, go to the developer tab, then click on to view code, and then type and then type sub reset open bracket close bracket, enter. After that, type slide 2 dot label 1 and dot caption equals to 0. Okay, and then enter, and slide 3 dot label 2 dot caption was open and close inverted comma, enter. Then next you click active presentation dot slide show window. Try to when the word come out, try to click it rather than typing the whole word, right? And then dot view, yeah. Then I click it and dot exit and yeah, and then I click it. All right. Let me see the code. Let me check the code. Slide 2, label 1, caption equals 0. Slide 3, label 3, caption equals open inverted comma. And then active presentation, slides, show window view dot exit. All right, looks good. So now we close this. Let me do a few checks first. Make sure at the transition is after 20 seconds. Same for every slide. Remove the on mouse click and click after 20 seconds. All right, remove on mouse click for everything. All right, now you have the start, the score, and the reset button. Okay, select the reset button, and then go to insert and click on action. Where is action? Yeah, here, action, and then click run. Click on run macro and look for the reset code that you have. Select it and click OK. Now let's test our game by going into presentation mode. Then we'll start the game, and then display the score, and then reset the score. Okay, let's click on start game, and then we start the game. Okay, let's click. Oh, okay, click. Come, let's go. Oops. Why am I having so little points? Oh. Okay, so the start button works. So let's see the score. So I got 9 points, and then I reset it. And you reset it, here goes to 0. But there is a problem. The game seems to be longer than what my timer sets. All right, the game, that's because the transition is 20 seconds. All right, but my timer, let's check my code, the effect settings, and then timing. All right, so it's also 20 seconds. Let me see. Timing is 20 seconds. 20 seconds. All right, let's play the game again. All right, so let's see my score. So I have scored 28 points, better than just now. Let's reset it. and is 0. Yep. So that's it. So the game works. Lastly, don't forget to save your PowerPoint presentation. Otherwise what you coded will be gone. And when you save, there is two options there. Make sure you save it as a PowerPoint macro enabled presentation, not just a PowerPoint presentation. So you click here and you click save. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching PowerPoint Tricks by the HR Diary. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the HR Diary YouTube channel. Bye.